Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern Middlesex County, northern Matthews County, southeastern Lancaster County, until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hartfield to near Gloucester Courthouse to near Wycomic Hill, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gloucester Courthouse, Hartfield, and Hayes around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Whitestone around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kilmarnock and Blake's around 4:30 p.m. Deltaville around 4:35 p.m. Queen around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Beulah, Harmony Village, Grafton, Harcum, Cache, Amberg, Christchurch, Gray's Point, Fort Nonsense, and Clay Bank. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using XFNWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for Eastern Virginia.